lost their mothers. Unbelievable. Unreal, you know?
Daryl! What are you, hard of hearing?
You clean this. Clean that. Shovel 28 inches of snow. We're in the middle of a blizzard here. Yeah.
Daryl!
Clean up the car. What?
I need you. Where are you? Daryl, answer when your mother calls.
Yes, she wants me to do this, do that. Clean off the car. I'm gonna be like Jack Nicholson in The Shining over here.
Daryl!
You know, I'm 42 years old. You still treat me like I'm 12. Yeah.
Daryl! 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 What are you, hard of hearing? Answer when your mother calls you.